Hey everyone, today we're going to walk you through how to apply for a $500 overdraft at BKT Albania. So you can literally do this entire process online, and it's actually pretty straightforward too. So first, open up the BKT website and look for the overdraft section. So this is where you'll then be able to find all the information about overdraft services and start your application. So before you apply, simply make sure you meet all the basic requirements. So usually you need to be receiving your salary into a BKT Albania account and have a stable employment situation. You also want to have some documents ready, like a government issued ID, proof of income and recent bank statements. So once you're ready, you then have to click apply now and fill in the application form. So you then have to enter your personal details, employment information and your BKT account number. And after reviewing everything, simply submit your application. So BKT Albania will then review your request, and if everything checks out, they will then approve your overdraft. So once approved, your $500 overdraft will then be added to your account and you can start using it right away. And that's it. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we will see you on the next one.